guys. Wait. Alright, I'm right here. We're not gonna be watching YouTube, we're gonna be reacting to some TT videos. So let's go. Where's flash warning? Okay. Let's read the comments for The Sims. 1, she's a kid. 2, she's a kid. 3, she's a kid! 1 eye open when I'm sleeping. Guys, nobody's hearing me out loud. She's probably one of the most scary character design voice gameplay or also cool. I don't know why did you put R. Okay. Okay. I don't know, I like this song. I love the velocity edit. I meant velocity edits. That's what it's called. And I know what she is. Yeah. He carried, to be honest. So, yeah. She copied my video. No. She probably saw. Yeah, it's an old trend. This is so old too. And how are you playing Ragdoll? No. No. Okay, Mr. Teacher. Okay. Woo! Yeah, that's what I meant. Y'all played the game? Corey X Attention played? I'm not Corey Kenshin. I call him Corey X Attention. Oh, I was about to say you didn't put flash warning. Alright, that's alright. Let me I'm trying to fix this, I'm sorry. This is like too big, showing too much. This is showing way too much. How did I do this? How do I fix it? Whatever. Anything is anything. Wait, how they dance? Alright. I miss with it. I can't. Carlos for you. Think that right! I must with Jonathan. No, because people do that for the. Alright, let me stop. People do that just for you to fight with them. I be ignoring them because that's what I thought. I be saying that sometimes, but they need to learn how not to say that to me, so I say that to somebody else. Nah, because they asking for that Wombo combo. No, that's mean. Well, no, she doesn't look like she'll eat that. She's probably a nice person in real life, but okay. That looks tasty. The first one, that looks good. I never ate. Yes! Why? Why did old man get Clorox? That's oh, I get it. Because he created the game and didn't tell nobody. Yep. But doesn't mean you should say that to the old man. It's kind of sad. Wait, hold up. You will feed her yourself? What Nunu? What about Nunu? I think I saw him in the game. What will you get? A beanie. Probably a little piece of beanie cake. That looks good. Why glass? Alright. Oh my god. That's really good. Wait, on the for the first one, what she did, it was awesome. Now hear me out. Hear me out. I wish that I don't have a sibling. You would have her. I wish I had that. So I'm thankful for having my dad's friends, siblings. My dad's friend, daughter. Yeah. No, hear me out. Wait, hear me out. No, wait, okay. She likes her friend's brother. I'm Jamaican. She farted next to her crush. Tiki talk. Not people pretending to be her bestie class. You know what that means? She have a crush on Alex and Fabs in front of him. I'm your bestie. No, that's embarrassing. I don't know what to write. Hear me out, Luke. I hate misspelling. I actually thought it was a song too. I still hear the remix. I miss the rage. Let me play this again. Hold up. I'm still traumatized of the spiders. Hold up. I got it. Pencil. Alright. I got 4 minutes left to record. I did it wrong. I hit Popo.
Try this cheap limited method so you don't have to. This is the user besties. Go to creations. Click on game.
I know. Stop trying to choose, because you're not. I hope I don't get traumatized. The last